What's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got Rolma in the building one more time. And this guy, he always brings uniqueness to the table every rip and the taste of elegance in most of his watch faces. This one here is definitely no exception. Now we got a giveaway going on for this one for the US. You also got Canada, the UK, India, Denmark, all the normal countries. Unless we get some new ones to sign in, these are the watch face codes that we're giving them away to. Cool? All right, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get this review kicked off. Now, the name of the watch face is called Romla Shadow. It's a very nice looking watch face. I do like the design, the layout. I love the uniqueness of this watch face as well. Now, in the AOD mode, it's going to be blackened out to a degree. You'll still get a nice analog look. So far as time is concerned, it's not bad at all. But once the watch face is on, again, the look of this watch face screams uniqueness all day long. I like the layout. I like the design of the watch face. Giving the developer 3 thumbs up for this one. Now, here's what we got going. As you can see, we got a second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, which is blue. You got animated seconds over here. You have the day of the week over there, and you will get a needle to let you know what day of the week it is. Down at the bottom, you are going to get your battery info and the name of the developer right there up at the top, colored blue. So I do like to look at the index. I think the index kind of brings out the watch face overall. So far as an analog watch face is concerned, this is not a bad design for a super casual wear and or dress up. I think it's not a bad deal for if I'm going out and I'm hitting the town, depending on what I'm wearing, what color I'm blending this with, which should be almost any color. You cannot go wrong with this watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.